Now students can learn the social media marketing and can get the different benefits by learning the social media marketing by yourself or from a mentor or from a institute. So I will tell you how to learn the social media marketing practically by yourself or course or by mentor. So guys, so social media marketing will help you in a different ways. So first of all, you can crack your job like social media marketing executive, social media manager or digital marketing executive. So like that roles you can join as a job, so after learning the and applying the your social media marketing. Okay, so next you can also start your own social media agency, like you are offering the social media management service to the clients, and you can start the social media agency in your town or internationally also. You can do the social media using the social media marketing once you acquire the some sufficient followers, to get the better engagements, to get the better sales. So once you got the followers on the social media, you can tie up with the companies like Amazon, Flipkart are hosting products. There are a lot of companies are offering the affiliate marketing. You can tie up with them and you can promote those products to your audience, and you can get the commissions. So with this help of affiliate marketing, but before going to jump into the affiliate marketing, first get the engagement with your audience and try to improve the your loyal audience and your audience base. So once you get the audience base on your social media profiles, you can do the you can do the affiliate marketing on your profiles. The next, you can also offer the trainings. So once you learn the social media marketing and once you apply the social media marketing on your social media profiles, and once you got the results, you can offer the services like Instagram marketing training, Facebook marketing training, LinkedIn marketing training, YouTube marketing training, and social media marketing training. So like this you can uh, train the people in your industry or in your surrounding. Okay, next, you can train online or offline. You can also conduct the workshops in your city or by online, and you can charge some amount to the these workshops, and you can also make some extra amount to using the workshops. Next, you can promote your business or your family business or any others business, so using the social media marketing. So once you know the how to market yourself or your services with the help of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, then once you got the experience, then you can also promote your business or your client's business using the social media marketing. These are the there are plenty of benefits by learning the social media marketing, and implementing is the important. Okay, so learning is not only required, so implementation part is very important. Action, you have to take the action after learning the things. Okay guys, so you can learn the social media marketing yourself or by taking a mentor or a video course. So first of all, if you want to learn the social media marketing yourself, so first go to the YouTube and search for the social media marketing tutorials and consume some content, and after some consume the content, so come out from those and open your social media profiles like Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube channel, and start to produce the content and start to produce the content. Here you can also use the methods like content repurposing. So once you produce the content on video format on the YouTube channel, you can take that content into and repurpose throughout the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay, so you can produce the more content for social media profiles like this using the simple method content repurpose. Okay, if you want to learn the social media marketing from a particular mentor, then once observe their social media profiles, whether they are doing the social media marketing for them or not, and whether they are getting the results or not. Once you observe their social media profiles, once you got the confident, then try to take the personal training from those persons. So personal training helps very lot. You can clear your doubts in the one-to-one trainings. Okay, so next, if you want to learn the courses from the institute, so once you get the check the background of the institute and success stories of the institute, and then you can have opt the course for the course from the institute. So whatever, whether you are learning yourself or learning from video course, learning from a mentor or learning from an institute, so whatever the method may be, so here you have to make sure to uh, practice the social media marketing practically yourself by applying your knowledge on your social media profiles. Okay, so you have to apply whatever learn the subject on your social media profiles. Once you got the confident, you can start the methods like affiliate marketing, offering services and offering the trainings, conducting the workshops, okay, offering the freelance services. So like this you can do the more things, so with the help of social media marketing. Okay guys, I hope this video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. Okay guys, thank you.